Where to find and how to use generative AI in Canva. It's called Dream Lab and you need to be in the dashboard of Canva. So don't go inside any project. Just click on the Canva logo at the top. It's take you to the overall dashboard like this, and then in the tool panel on the left, it should be at the very bottom, Dream Lab. If it's not there, it's maybe because your country got some restriction on AI use, all right? So by default, it's here at the bottom. Click on that and you will be welcomed by Dream Labs page like that when you got this huge space at the very top to type your prompt. You can also add image and change the aspect ratio of the AI generated image from here, all right? So we can make it into a, let's say, 1:1, and now I can just type the prompt. Then click create. Be careful, it will use 1 credit from your pool of free credits that you kind of getting. If you use all of them, they will ask you to purchase more, upgrade to Canva Pro, or simply wait. As you can see, I lost 1 credit. Now I got only 499 and I got 4 images generated. I asked for students waiting for a bus on the moon. All right, so I got some images generated. And now I can change my prompt, I can add an image, I can modify that. It's rarely happened that the first one is good. So I modify my prompt a bit, I click create again, and again I was charged 1 credit, so be mindful. Okay, so I specified that I want my students to wear helmets, so now I got proper students in the space helmet suits, you can say. All right, so that's a bit better, and this one on the right is really nice. I can still see the previous 4 here below, so they're not lost. All right, if you like this one, you can click edit to start kind of the project from it, or you can simply download the result. And it's already on my computer. Here it is. All right, so that's how you can use Dream Lab, generative AI that is part of Canva now.